Hello guys, today we are going to multiply and divide two numbers in a single program. So let's start. First, enter the header file #include stdio.h, then the main function, and using the curly brackets start the main function. Now we are going to take two float numbers. Float numbers are used for decimal values. So float a, b, mul, and div. Mul for multiplication, div for division. So first we use the printf function to print enter the two numbers. Semicolon. Then we read the numbers by using scanf function. Scanf percentile f. For float function we use percentile f. Since there are two numbers, so we use two percentile f. One for n% a and another for m% b. So now we do the calculation, that is mul equal to a asterisk b and division equal to a divided by b. So after doing the calculation we have to print the result on the screen. So to print the result on the screen we use the printf function, and then the product is percentile f, and this is for the value of mul, and another printf function for the division. The division is percentile f. We can use the equal sign, and then now this is for div, and then return 0. We can add a new line with \n, and here also a new line \n. Now let's compile and run it. So here comes enter the two numbers, so we are entering the two numbers 5 and 3. So the product is 15. 5 into 3 equal to 15, and the division is 1.66667. So thank you.